Hi there, my name is Elias Bloom, and I'm the primary investigator for the Organic Microbiome Project at Cornell University. This project is funded by the USDA, and today I will be doing an unboxing video for our questionnaire and soil sampling kit. If you're receiving our questionnaire and soil sampling kit in the mail, this is what the envelope will look like. Inside of the envelope, you'll have the questionnaire and a return envelope. Here, I'm showing you the return envelope, and this is the envelope that you will return your soil sample and questionnaire in. It's important to note that the return envelope is free of charge to return, and you simply need to put this envelope in the mail with your soil sample and questionnaire, and it'll come directly to me at Cornell University. Moving on to the questionnaire, you'll find that I've included a welcome letter that describes the project, my contact information, and the QR code that takes you to our website. You'll also find that I've included an informed consent form. On the next page, you'll find a survey preamble, and you'll find a postcard. If you are unable to complete the questionnaire or not interested, simply fill out the postcard and place the postcard in the mail. You'll also see an ID number here and throughout the survey, and this allows me to track the data for your farm. On the next page, you're going to see a soil sampling guide. In another video, I'm going to go over that soil sampling guide in additional detail. Attached to those pages, you're also going to find 2 bags for your soil samples. You only need to submit 1 soil sample, which is labeled as soil sample 1, and it also has your ID number on it. On the next page, you will find the data sheets for your first soil sample number 1. These data sheets record the information about the field where the soil sample came from. And this will allow us to understand the farming practices that influence the microbiome within those fields. On the next page, you'll find a part of the questionnaire that goes over the demographics of our participants, and those demographics allow us to better understand the farmers that we've reached with this questionnaire. And then in the final section, you'll find questions that ask you about your knowledge of the microbiome, and then also the farming practices and factors that might influence your adoption of practices that help support the microbiome. Lastly, you'll find that I've left a good amount of room here for you to comment on the project, and then again you'll see your ID number so we're able to track your responses. You'll also find that I've included some extra data sheets for your second soil sample. And again, just remember that the second soil sample and these data sheets at the end here are optional. So if you only want to submit 1 soil sample for microbiome testing, then that's totally fine, and you just skip this last section. Okay, And then once you've taken your soil sample and filled out your questionnaire, you'll be putting those into your return envelope. So here I've unfolded the envelope. You'll just slide your questionnaire in here along with your soil sample, and then you'll seal it up. And again, you can place the questionnaire and soil sample in this envelope, and then the envelope can be put in any U.S. Postal Service mailbox, and it'll come straight to me here at Cornell University. And then over the winter, I'll be analyzing the microbiome of your soil sample and returning your results to you in 2022. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope to be receiving your questionnaires and soil samples soon. Take care.